Hello boys and girls, we're back with our last set of letters where we're going to work on handwriting. So we've got little t here, which is where I left off yesterday. I'm going to leave a space and I'm going to write capital U. Capital U he's pretty easy. I'm going to start on this top line, go down, make a curved line, and come back up. Kind of looks like a smile. With my capital letters, I always start at the same spot on that top line. Don't forget your finger space. Now I'm gonna leave this space empty and I'm gonna do little u. Curve line, stick. Curved line with a stick. Little smile with a stick. Little smile with a stick. All the way across the page. Now remember, we've talked every day about if you aren't maybe moving as fast as Mrs. Dillon is, you can pause your video and catch up. So I'm gonna leave this space here and I'm gonna move on to V, capital V. He's quick and easy. So I'm gonna start at the top, diagonal line, down, diagonal line back up to where I started. Finger space, 2 diagonal lines. All right, I'm gonna skip a space. Little v looks just like this, except it's just gonna take up 1 space, where big V took up 2 spaces. So here's little v. 2 tiny diagonal lines, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now if you need to, pause the video and finish your letter V's. And I'm gonna move on to W. So I'm gonna leave this space here. Now W's a little bit tricky. It's a lot of down, up, down, up. So we're gonna start at that top line. We're gonna go down, diagonal line, up, down, up. Mrs. Dillon did not pick up her pencil. Watch me make another W. Down, up, down, up. Do it again. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Now we're gonna leave a space. Down, up is little w. Looks just like big W, except it goes into a smaller space. And there's my little W's. All right, I'm gonna leave a space. I'm gonna work on X, capital X. Diagonal line. And I'm gonna do another diagonal line going backwards, and they're gonna cross right here in the middle. They're gonna meet on that blue line, just like that. Where's my capital X's? Now I need to do little x. I'm gonna leave a space. Little x is the same. Just smaller. All right, now we're gonna do capital Y. If you need to pause the video and finish X, you can. So we're gonna leave this space here. And capital Y is like a small V, and then it has a stick. Small V with a stick. Your letters may not be perfect, Mrs. Dillon's aren't. But what matters is that you're trying and you're taking your time and you're writing neatly. So I finished my capital Y's. I have to start a new page. So I'm gonna go to the top of the next page and I'm gonna do little y. So little y, I'm going to make a V with a long stick. Diagonal line and a diagonal long stick. It's going to look like a V at first, but then I need to take this stick on down. There's my Y's. I filled up the space. And our last letter is Z. So I'm going to leave a space here. I'm going to start on capital Z. Capital Z goes across. He gets a hat. And he's going to get shoes. And then it's a diagonal line from his hat to his shoes. We just connected the whole thing. So watch again. A big hat, shoes, and a diagonal line. I go across, make the bottom line, and connect it with a diagonal line. I'm going to do it one more time. There's capital Z. And our last one is going to be little z, so I'm going to leave this space. And little z is just like big Z, but it only takes up one empty space. So I'm going to go across. There's the shoes, and connect the two lines. Leave a space. And there's all my letters for today. Actually, we've finished them all, haven't we, boys and girls? So if you're not to this point, it's fine. Pause the video and catch up. Mrs. Dillon, appreciate you taking your time and doing your best handwriting. And congratulations on finishing the whole alphabet. We practiced writing the whole alphabet. So when we practice writing from now on, we need to take our time and make the letters the right way so our words are nice and neat. Thanks for working hard today, boys and girls.